Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing JP Morgan Self-Directed Investing. So it is an online brokerage platform that allows individuals to manage their own investments, offering commission-free trades on stocks and ETFs, along with access to a wide range of investment options. So I actually found this website here, which is called NerdWallet, and they actually go over their pros and cons. So the pros of it is that commission-free stock, options and ETF trades, easy to use platform, app connects all Chase accounts, and in-person customer support at Chase branches. Now the cons of it is that bare bones trading platform isn't for advanced traders, and low interest rate or uninvested cash. So as you can see right here, there's a full review if you want to see it for yourself. And right here, where JP Morgan Self-Direct Investing shines. So it shines in easy to use. It connects to all Chase accounts and no account minimum, like no minimum balancing. So in some credit card or debit card users, there's a maintaining balance of, for example, $200. So if you cannot maintain those minimum balance, they actually deduct a monthly fee from your account if you cannot maintain your maintaining balance. So right here, where JP Morgan self-directed investing falls short, is that it has low interest rate or uninvested cash. So many of the brokers we review offer some way to grow your money even when it's on the sidelines by a few percent per year. But at JP Morgan Self-Directed Investing, your uninvested cash will earn an APY of just 0.01% per year. And there are no cryptocurrencies or futures or forex. So basically, for me, in my opinion, cryptocurrencies are not a con. It is actually a pro, since cryptocurrencies are directly related or correlated to scams. So yeah, that is it. That is my review on JP Morgan Self-Investing. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.